Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get refund in Google domains. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in Google Domains Refund. And now once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is Google Domains Refund Policy. Now once you're inside, you'll be inside the Google Domains Help. Now all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the option that says need more help, and then tap on contact us. Now once you tap on contact us, here what you need to do is simply type in refund, then tap on next. And now here what you need to do is tap on refund request and then tap on next step. Now here all the instructions will be provided to you, but if you want to chat with a live human being, then tap on next step, and here you will be provided with the option that is chat or email. Simply tap on chat, and once you tap on chat, here what you need to do is fill up this required information like your name, your domain's name in question, and then issue your description like I want a refund or simply just refund, and then tap on submit. And now once you do this, after a couple of minutes a small pop-up will be available to you, and from there you can chat and then have the solution to your issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.